Hello, welcome to another episode of Blast Off with Ribs. I'm your host, Ribs. But interesting enough, lots of different things happening in the crypto universe. For instance, El Salvador accepting Bitcoin as its national currency. Now, this does not mean that it's going to be the only currency. They're going to still utilize the US dollar, which I just learned is their national currency currently since 2001. Fun fact, if you didn't know already. But what does that mean for Bitcoin? What does that mean for the citizens of El Salvador? Well, in this article here, it says that if you sign up for a government or state-backed crypto wallet, you will get $30 worth of Bitcoin. That's amazing. I would take the $30 myself. I am not part of El Salvador, though, so I do not think I would get it. Although that would be interesting to see if you could get it. Probably not going to happen, though. I'm sure there's some kind of stipulation where you need to show ID or KYC or something that proves that you live there. But in anywho, that is some fantastic news for the crypto universe. The fact that a country is accepting it as their national currency. Now, this doesn't start until September, but this is fantastic news. Like, as soon as they start buying up Bitcoin, which I think they're going to be purchasing $150 million worth, does it say in this article? I read it a couple weeks ago, but I know it's a little late on that news. But anywho's, it is awesome news for crypto in general, especially since Bitcoin's been doing a whole lot of fucking nothing in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, month and a half. Yeah, a whole lot of nothing in a month and a half. But Wyckoff could be their distribution could be coming into play. Is it distribution or accumulation? Either way, I hope Wyckoff gets you off. I really hope that this does pan out, because Bitcoin does need a different move. It needs to not move sideways. It's been a little weird in the last couple weeks. Pretty low volume. But yeah, it looks like it's doing a whole lot of nothing. But it can't do a whole lot of nothing forever. So maybe we'll see some movement in the next couple weeks. Hopefully not this weekend, because we don't really want a huge CME futures gap all the way down here again. I know there's somewhere in the 40,000, maybe it's like $42,000 range. There might be a CME futures gap. I don't have that pulled up. Let's see if I can grab that. I don't even know if I can grab that. Can I do CME futures? CME futures. No, I don't think I can do that. I suppose I could log in, but not going to bother with that today. In other news, also some other fantastical news, we have Polkadot finally fucking listed on Coinbase. How long did that take? Too long, Coinbase. Too long. It should have been done way before you had opened up your IPO to the public. Like, Jesus. It's literally the number 9 coin in all crypto at the moment, and it was higher than that even months ago. And now it took you freaking years to list Polkadot. Like, wow. I'm a little disappointed in Coinbase. I mean, I use you frequently. I should probably use another one. But in other words, Binance, what the hell is going on with Binance? I don't use Binance, but I have an account. And it seems like they are crumbling from underneath. With countries banning the use of Binance for the fact that they will not register under their country. And I mean, the whole point is to be decentralized. I get that. But that doesn't stop anybody from using it. You could just use a VPN. Most people in crypto use a VPN. I use a VPN. Who doesn't use a VPN nowadays? Like, if you live in another country and you want to watch that country's TV, you use a VPN. Like, Netflix users use VPNs for that stuff all the time. Let's get with it. Let's get with it, Cryptoverse. Let's do something fun. Let's pump this market up. And let's just have a grand old time. Because things are looking good. Even though the market's pretty boring. It's very boring. Very boring. I mean, look at this chart. A whole lot of freaking nothing. A whole lot of freaking nothing. I mean, we've been at this $32,000 range pretty much since January. I mean, yeah, sure, we got since February until May, it was up. Well, yeah, until May. But so what? So what? We need some new stuff. Let's pump these markets. Let's get some more money in. Let's go freaking all in. I mean, even my trades here. Look at my trades. I have 2 trades going. They're both freaking negative. That sucks. They're not worth that much, but here you go. Here you go, crypto universe. I mean, I'm up a little bit today, but in overall, I'm down. It's boring. It's very boring. I'm going to keep these trades open for a while, I think. The Bitcoin one, if we drop to a certain level, I'll probably have to chillax. But at least my Polkadot one. I mean, just look at Polkadot. What's it doing? What are we doing, Polkadot? Whole lot of the same. Whole lot of nothing. Although we hit that down target, I think. It did break down. Maybe we can extend. I haven't done a TA for this in a while. Is this a descending wedge here? I mean, there's a huge M pattern right here. Let's see. Did that hit its target? Double bottom, I guess. I don't like to go to the tops of those lines. I like to go to the actual open close. Yeah, we did. We hit that target. Pretty solid. Look at that. Damn. See? I mean, we're hitting targets, but we need to move. We need to move to the upside. We really do. We need some positive action. It seems like a lot of the people in the cryptoverse, there's a lot less views, even on my favorite channels that I watch. Like, there's a lot less views. I'm still pumping away. I still watch. I'm hopeful for other things, but this Wyckoff pattern is probably one of the biggest ones that's going on right now. It's playing out, and not exactly, because obviously it can't be exact. Otherwise, like, that would just be a little weird. But that Wyckoff distribution or accumulation pattern. Let's see which one it gives us. This one. There it is. I think we're actually in this phase C here. That is the phase that we're in. I think we're near the end of it. We need to see a bounce somewhere. But this is where we're at. We're in phase C, roughly into phase D. But we need that bounce off a support line. and we're just chilling for the time being. I think this is the double. I think this is a support line. This is a support line. Then I think you need another one. What else do you need in there? You need those hires. Front phase A and B. Yeah, so this is kind of like where we're at, I think. I mean, I know I got a bunch of lines in here, so it's a little confusing, but those horizontal lines are those support lines. Yeah, that's it for today, I think. Thank you for tuning in. If you are, please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Please share with all your friends as well. I need a little help getting this thing moving along, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Blast off, baby.